Kia ora, welcome to another Logan and Tim video. Today we're going to explore the eastern bays, starting here in St Heliers and working our way through to Okahu. On the way we're going to show you lots of fun things to see and do as you walk through 5 kilometres of flat and easygoing coastline. This is St Heliers. This place is a special place in my heart because this is where my mother grew up, so it brings me lots of joy to think about her in the 80s running around on the back of motorcycles. Here you'll find lots of shops, restaurants, and there's a beautiful beach here as well. Hawaiian pizza from the bakery. It's just a home-baked bread. Cheap and tasty.
Okay, stomach's full. It's time to move to our next bay, Kohi Marama.
Woo!
Just arrived in Kohi Marama Beach. This is one of the quietest spots along the stretch. So if you're coming here, particularly in the summer months where the bays can be a little bit busier, this might be your go-to. We're just here to grab some coffee, so let's go.
First coffee of the day from Kohi Beach Cafe. We've also got these beautiful little macarons as well. Pistachio and cookies and cream. I'm going to try the pistachio. Walks like these, it's important to sit down and take a moment just to enjoy the scenery. Mission Bay is the most popular of the beaches here. It gets really crazy in summertime, as you can see, with events on. It also has the widest range of restaurants and bars. Now, many of which are tourist traps, expect prices to be higher, but enjoy yourself, have fun, and we'll show you a really interesting place to eat later on.
We've arrived at a piece of land, a promontory called Bastion Point. Now this is also the site of the Michael Joseph Savage Memorial. Mickey Savage was one of New Zealand's most influential prime ministers. In 1939 he joined Great Britain and declared war on Adolf Hitler's Nazi Germany. But his enduring legacy is really the establishment of a number of social policies that aim to support society's most vulnerable. That included the establishment of the welfare state and social housing, both policies which are still in place today. So a really important person, and his memorial now overlooks the harbour. I do think it's really important when you're visiting Bastion Point to take a moment to reflect on the really complex and fraught history that's taken place on this particular piece of land. In 1977, the Crown wanted to turn this Ngāti Whātua ancestral land into a golf course and high-income housing. Understandably, the local iwi were really upset, especially after a long history of underhanded dealings with the Crown, land confiscations. So this led to an occupation of 506 days led by the great Joe Hawke. The silver lining is that a decade later, the land was returned to Ngāti Whātua or Ake, and they've done some amazing things with it, but this is unfortunately just a chapter in a long and sordid history in New Zealand. I went for the IPA. Life is good.
I went for the Good George Plum Cider for a nice tart alternative to beer. So for dinner we're going to Oak Barrel. This is the combination of a restaurant and a wine store. There's beautiful racks of wine and you can simply choose the bottle you like and take it to your table. They charge you a small corkage fee, but the value is excellent. If you don't finish the bottle, you can screw the lid back on and take it home.
So I ordered the fungi pizza, loads of mushrooms, truffle oil so you get to feel a bit fancy. It's pretty stacked topping wise.
I wanted the veal Milanese. That was a great meal. I really enjoyed it. Excellent wine. If you're not sure what wine to choose, when you come in here you can simply just ask. They'll give you recommendations for wine good for your tastes.
Well, Tim, we're surrounded by wine and I'm not complaining.
Cheers.
So to conclude our tour of Auckland's eastern bays, we've made it to Okahu Bay and we're right on sunset.
For a full list of recommendations of places to eat, check in the description below.
That's all for now. See you later.
Bye bye.